In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow effects in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to add depth to your designs with shadow effects is a skill you'll definitely want to master. So let's dive into it and explore the straightforward steps to add that perfect shadow touch to your design elements. First things first, let's head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that we all know and love. If you're not already there, open your browser and type in figma.com. Once the page loads, you should see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on that and enter your credentials if prompted. This will bring you to the Figma home screen where all your projects await. From the home screen, locate and select the project where you want to add shadow effects. Click on it to access the design you're working on. Make sure you're in the right design file before proceeding. It helps to double check so you're sure you're adding shadows to the correct elements. Next, you'll want to select the specific object or layer you intend to apply the shadow effect to. Once you've clicked on the design, take a moment to navigate through your design layers and determine which element could use a little more depth. Clicking on the object will highlight it, indicating that it is ready for modification. Now, with your object selected, direct your attention to the right panel of your Figma interface. This is where the magic happens. Locate the section labeled Effects and click on it. This will expand the Effects menu, presenting a variety of options you can apply to your selected design element. Among the effects options, you'll find one labeled Drop Shadow. This is the feature we're going to use to add shadow to your object. Click on Drop Shadow to apply it instantly. You'll notice an immediate change as the shadow effect takes hold on your selected element, adding an appealing touch of depth and dimension. Feel free to play around with the shadow settings to get the look just right for your design. You can tweak aspects such as the blur, opacity and color of the shadow to perfectly suit your needs. Remember, subtle modifications can often make the biggest difference, so don't hesitate to experiment until you're satisfied with the outcome. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to enrich your designs with shadow effects in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Whether you're trying to make your button pop or add some dynamic depth to an icon, these steps will surely enhance your design projects. Keep creating and have fun with the endless possibilities. Thanks for watching and see you next time.